Hi guys, my name is Cherry Mark. Welcome again to my channel. Thanks for joining me and thank you so much for choosing this channel. I'm back right again because the previous video was extremely interrupted and I thought of pausing it and taking it ahead, and now we're going to continue right away. I'm sorry I'm not in the featuring myself in this video. I just thought of giving you people a view of this fantastic place that I am right today. This is the name of this place is Olympia. So right in front of me is Olympia Lake, and behind is the as you can see there, behind the buildings there, these structures, that's the Olympia Stadium. That's where the Olympic Games were held in 1972, some years back. So here is the Olympic Tower. If you can see it right here, I have a very beautiful view of it and the beautiful sunset, of course. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started, guys. Now, I just left right, yeah, explaining. I was just explaining about. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. It is again interrupted. Just give me a second.
Yes, they're like attacking me. Yeah, exactly. I was like freaking out, and then I need to get my hat. Seriously, like it's super. That notice was going to happen. Get up. Why didn't we trust you, Ida? I know.
So, I'm sorry, guys. Just a few people who are running here up and down. I'm just seated right on the pathway, and yeah, there's a lot of people running up and down, coming, you know. Anyway, without wasting much time, let's continue. Now, let me just give you this other view of this place, and maybe you would like to see the view right behind me. I'm not sure if you can see there. I don't know. Anyways, now let's just stay here. The sunset is wow. I'm sorry. Now the next character personality we were learning was a hardworking person. I already said a hardworking person is someone who is called Morutiwera, or you can say Modowe Keo. Modowe Keo. Keo is someone who is very, very serious with his or her work, a very hardworking person, someone who sacrifices a lot and concentrates and put a lot of energy or invest a lot of time in work, you know, modoekeo or modomorutiwera, nemorutiwera. Now, of course, the next word that we get to learn here is a lazy person. How do we call a lazy person? Kegota, kegota, modo, kegota, modo, kegota. Now, the other character personality we learn is a jealous person. How do we call a jealous person in Kikuyu? Modo we woiru. Woiru is someone who is jealous. You know, someone who doesn't like when other people are prospering or when other people are doing well. Just someone who is jealous. Modowe, woiru, or jealousy is called woiru. The act of being jealous is just called woiru. So, excuse me once again.
No, what would have been like?
Now, the other character trait we get to learn here. Some people are again running up and down in this place, and excuse me, it's crazy. Now, the next character personality we get to learn is a stingy person. How do we call a stingy person in Kikuyu? Modo Mokare. Modo Mokare. Mokare is someone who's stingy, someone who doesn't like sharing things, someone who is just selfish. You know, a selfish person is called Modo Mokare. Modo Mokare. Now, the other word we get to learn is a generous person. How do we call a generous person in Kikuyu? Modo Motana. Modo Motana. Or the act of being generous is simply called Otana. Otana. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the end of this video. I am sorry and I want to apologize for the many interruptions that have been going on in this video. But well, there's nothing I would have done about it. I thought I would actually have a very good shoot, but apparently guys, you've seen what is going on in this place. I hope next time we are not going to have all these kind of interruptions. So until we meet again next time guys, thank you so much for subscribing, thank you for liking this channel, thank you again for supporting my channel, and even for the new subscribers, I want again to appreciate you and recognize you, and I hope you're going to like this channel. So enjoy yourselves wherever you are. Have a beautiful weekend, peaceful weekend. Take good care of yourselves. Stay healthy. And until we meet again next time, adios. Bye.